Hello everyone! Now we will start online Japanese culture lesson 1. The topic of this lesson is the events in January. Here are a few words related to January culture. What words are they? Let's take a look. What events are taking place in January in your country? The first month of a year is called 正月 in Japan. 正月 is the month which celebrates the beginning of a year. Let's read it together. 正月, 正月. And January 1st, the first day of the new year is called 元日. It is a national holiday. The period from January 1st to January 3rd is called 三が日, 3 days of the new year. This word's reading is 初詣. 初詣 is the first visit to a temple or shrine and pray. On the first 3 days of the new year, we do 初詣 in Japan. The etiquette used in Japanese shrines is 2 bows, 2 claps, 1 bow. I'll show you once. Just do it like this. In Buddhist temples, the etiquette is putting your hands first, then bow once. You don't clap hands there. Then we send nengajo, New Year's cards. Nengajo, nengajo. Nengajo are the postcards sent to celebrate the New Year. Here are some of the most common greetings on New Year's cards. 明けましておめでとうございます。Happy New Year or 迎春. 迎春 means welcome to the new year. Let's read together. 明けましておめでとうございます。迎春. According to the Japanese lunar calendar, the new year began around the beginning of spring. So, the period from January to March was called spring. In addition, we eat osechi ryori, New Year dishes. Osechi ryori is a dish that uses auspicious ingredients. Every food item has its own meaning. For example, black beans are associated with the desire to live in diligence and care, as well as to work hard. Kinton, mashed sweet potatoes, has the meaning of attracting a thriving business and financial luck. Shrimps are used as an ingredient in osechi ryori to wish a healthy new year and a long life until the waist bends. What do you do for New Year in your country? When it comes to the New Year, you will always hear this song in Japan. Our Japanese teacher will show you how to sing it.
正月の歌。もういくつ寝るとお正月。お正月にはタコあげて、コマを回して遊びましょう。早く来い来い、お正月。もういくつ寝るとお正月。お正月にはまりついて、おいばねついて遊びましょう。早く来い来い、お正月。
You will get to know some New Year's games in the lyrics. New Year's games include takoage, kite lifting, koma mawashi, frame rotation, maritsuki, bouncing a ball, and hanetsuki, battle doll. This song shows how children are enjoying the new year. Do you sing or play on New Year in your country? Here is the summary for this lesson. I introduced the events in January. Let's read often used words together again. 正月、正月。元日、初詣。おせち料理、年賀状。たこ揚げ、駒回し。まりつき、羽つき。It is also called おいばね。That's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much.